This is a 500-watt portable power station, and I will be using this to cook all of my meals today. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So this portable power station is almost fully charged. It is at 92%. And I charge this portable power station with solar panels. So today we are cooking with solar energy. And because this is a 500-watt portable power station, I can only use appliances that run on 500 watts or less. I can use my Dash egg bite maker, which runs on 420 watts. I can use my Dash mini grill, my Dash mini griddle, my Dash mini waffle maker. They all use 350 watts. I can use my Hot Logic Mini, which uses 45 watts. I can use my Itaki Pro electric lunchbox, which uses between 200 and 250 watts. I can use my Dash mini rice cooker, which uses about 200 watts. And I can use my Hamilton Beach mini multi-cooker, which uses 350 watts. I can also use my Rode Pro 12-volt stove along with an AC power adapter. So there is a 12-volt output on the portable power station, but it is not strong enough to power a Rode Pro 12-volt stove. And this Rode Pro stove maxes out at about 210 watts. But then as it cooks, it settles down and cooks at around 100 watts. So it seems like this can be a very efficient appliance to cook with, even with the adapter converting AC power into DC power for the unit. So this is the adapter here, and then this is how it plugs in. This is the cord from the Rode Pro, and this is the cord from the adapter. So even though this is only a 500-watt portable power station, I have a nice selection of small appliances that I can use with this unit. I like to start my day by drinking water, which I did about an hour ago. I had a bottle of water. And then I like to start my day with some fresh fruit. So here I have a bowl of fresh watermelon. I'm here with my Dash egg bite maker, and I will be using this to make an omelet this morning. So I'm going to plug it in to start heating it up. Turn it on. So on this unit, it does give me a percentage as well as the bars on the battery indicator. So it immediately went down to 79% from 92% just by plugging it in. It says I have 69 minutes of cooking time based on how much power this appliance is currently drawing. And it's currently drawing 373 watts. So here's my egg bite maker. The blue light is still on. I'm adding some butter to the bottom of it. And I'm going to add some vegetables that I want to saute. So I have some red onion and some red bell pepper, just a little bit of each. And I'm going to shut this and I'm going to let those start cooking. Normally I would wait for the blue light to go off, but because we are cooking on a portable power station, I want to take advantage of all of the energy we are using. So the vegetables will actually cook a little bit while this is getting up to full power before the light goes off. It's been a couple minutes, so let's open this up and see what's going on here. So the vegetables are cooking nicely. The onions are soft. I also have a slice of ham, which I've cut up. I'm going to add the ham now to start this cooking. What's interesting is that the egg bite maker is now using 0 watts. So once it got up to temperature, the wattage decreased. It's actually not pulling any watts right now. And we can see that this indicator now is back up to 85%, and it has 99 hours of use time. And that varies based on the amount of wattage that an appliance is using. So we just heard it click, and now it's pulling power again. It's going all the way up to 373 watts. It's been a couple minutes. Let's open this up now. There's a lot of steam. Moving the ham around. Want to make sure everything is nicely spread out. And I'll let this cook another minute. The eggs will cook pretty quickly, so I want to make sure everything else is nicely cooked before I add the eggs. Okay, it's been another minute or so, so let's open this up. I'm gonna say it's ready. I like to add fresh herbs to my meals whenever I can, so I have some fresh parsley from my garden and also some fresh lemon thyme. And now I'm going to add the eggs. I'm using 2 eggs, which I've beaten. These are large eggs. So we can see how nicely that fits in this Dash egg bite maker. 2 eggs along with some cooked veggies, a little bit of cooked meat, plenty of room. So we'll shut this and we'll cook this for a few minutes until the eggs are done. It's been about 5 minutes now, so let's see how the eggs are doing. It looks like everything is cooking nicely. I would say they're almost done. I'm gonna let this cook for 1 more minute. So these eggs are from a local poultry farm, and one thing that I noticed when I cracked the eggs open is that the yolks are very light. It's been another minute or 2. Let's open this up. And I'm gonna say this is done. So I'm going to unplug it. And here we have a beautiful omelet or frittata, whatever you would like to call it. And let's check out the power consumption. So we are at 79%. When we started, this was at 92. We're down to 79. So it used up about 13% of this battery, and it is a 500 watt battery. It's about 2 hours later and I'm having a snack. So this is a banana that I've sliced up. There's a little bit of peanut butter on it and then a black maru raisin on top. I just need a little snack right now. I've been working all morning and I need to go run some errands, and then after I run the errands I'll come back and I'll have some lunch. It's a sunny day, so before I leave I'm plugging in my portable power station to top it up with power. Right now we're at about 85% and it is charging. It's about an hour and a half later. We are back up to 100% on this portable power station. I'm gonna make myself some lunch. I have some leftover homemade chicken soup that I will be heating up in my Hamilton Beach mini multi-cooker. I have it here in the multi-cooker. Gonna put the top on and I'm gonna plug it in. On the multi-cooker, I'm going to press power and steam. I'm not going to steam the soup. All it's going to do is bring it up to a boil. And right now it's using 320 watts and the power indicator has immediately gone down to 95%. While I'm waiting for the soup to heat up, I'm having a sliced apple with some almond butter and cinnamon. It's been 20 minutes now. Let's see what's going on with the mini multi-cooker. So the soup is still heating up. It has not come up to a boil yet. I'm going to taste it. It is nice and warm. It's actually quite hot, so I'm going to say that it's done. So I just turned it off and we're at 86% on this portable power station. It looks really good. So this homemade chicken soup has some shredded chicken, some chopped carrots and celery, and some fresh herbs. And there's enough for 2 bowls of soup in the mini multi-cooker. It's a few hours later. I'm having a green salad now. So I have some lettuce, some cucumbers, some carrots, some red onion, and a little bit of grated cheese, and then some salad dressing. It's about an hour later and I have decided that I would like to have some pasta for dinner. I'm going to be making some lentil pasta and I'm going to be using my Hamilton Beach mini multi-cooker. I've already plugged it in here and the AC power's on, and it says this unit is at 91%. And with this mini multi-cooker, I'm going to put it on and I'm going to put it on steam, because what I want to do is I want to bring this water up to a boil. Okay, it's on steam right now. I'm going to put the lid on it. And I'll be back once this comes to a boil to put my pasta in. It's been 26 minutes since I turned this on, so let's check on the water. It's just about started to boil, so I am going to add my pasta. I'm making about 1 serving of pasta, maybe a little bit more. I put the cover back on and I am going to cook this for 15 minutes. Lentil pasta takes longer to cook than regular pasta. And we are down to 53% on the portable power station. We can see that this is cooking at 321 watts right now. So it's been cooking at over 300 watts for nearly a half hour. And the fan on this unit has come on. That's why we see this rotating indicator and we hear the fan noise. I'm using the Barilla Red Lentil Penne. So the pasta's been cooking about 20 minutes because I got stuck on a phone call. Let's open this up. So I shut it off, but it looks like it's still cooking with residual heat. Let me see if these are done. They're nice and soft, so I am now going to drain them. I drain the noodles and return them to the pot. And instead of tomato sauce, this is what I will be using. This is a Kalamata olive paste. So if you mix it up with pasta, it becomes like a pesto sauce. This just made a really nice sized bowl of pasta. I added a little bit of grated cheese to the top just because I have some leftover grated cheese in my refrigerator. And now I'm going to give this another try. Really good. The olive paste is salty and savory. It's a really nice change from typical tomato sauce. So let's see where we are with the portable power station. It says the battery is at 54%. So considering this is a 500 watt portable power station, we're just about at 50%, which is 250 watts. So not bad for a full day's worth of cooking. Even though we did top it up in the middle of the day, if we hadn't have done that, we still would have been able to make it through the day with just the 500 watts. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.